DJ was like, you know what people don't use ever? Hot Wheels. So I was like, yeah, that's pretty true. So what we are going to do today is we are going to play a little bit of Forza Horizon 3 mixed with my new favorite game, PUBG. People in the lobby, go and get in whatever car you would like. Okay. Oh, dear God. Apparently Barbie's in the lobby. Is that DJ? I think that's DJ. Let's see. That's it. I know what his license plate is. Oh no! That's not DJ. There is no plate. So the way this is going to work is I've already gone in and I've marked out areas of the map that you guys are allowed to use. Being this area. This is the first zone. If you've ever played PUBG, basically, you have to be within that area. And then the zone gets smaller and smaller and smaller. Yeah, there's a big hole in my hand right now. That is going to be the first zone. You guys will be able to hide wherever you like. And then, I am going to give myself time limits on my phone. And, yeah. The first zone is going to be up for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the zone is going to shrink and become a little bit smaller. Then, you guys are going to have 1 minute to get to the new zone. And you're going to have to drive. There's no teleporting allowed. However, while you guys are driving, I am still going to be looking around. So make sure you are quiet, you don't knock over any trees, and you stay the hell away from me. It should be pretty cool. I'm excited to see how this goes. We have 6 levels of zones. It should be quite good. And I'll set myself a 5-minute time. Actually, we'll set a 1-minute time limit. This is going to be your drop out of the plane. So Twitch chat, go! Be free, Twitch! By the way, once I find you, once I spot you, just come back out and park on the orange road, just like here. And that will be our out-of-bounds territory. Alright, everyone's going! I'm very excited. Alright, everyone's already gone. I have no idea where anyone is. It's just me and my little Porsche Cayenne. Oh, we are so screwed. Alright. I hope you guys can hear my timer, by the way. So 5 minutes... starting now. Let's give it a go. Make sure you guys are within this zone. If you're not, move. All right, let's go. Let's try to find some people. So here's the thing. This area is huge, like mega huge. If I can find anyone, even on like this first level, oh, I also forgot to say, you need to be on the ground. You need to be, like, on the ground. You can't be on a track in the air. That would be way too hard. You have to stay on the ground. I see some lights from possibly the top of the mountain there. Do you guys see that? Straight ahead. I see someone. I need to get a little bit closer. I'll say if I want to identify someone, I need to figure out what car it is, like, roughly. But it's not a game of tag. We will say that. Because I have my names and map off, it's going to be very difficult for me, and people are going to be able to hide very easily. But yeah, I don't want it to become a game of tag. Oh, yes, buddy! We get the Bentayga in round 1! You, sir, are the first out, Mr. Bentayga. I think that was the guy I saw. I think that was the guy I saw earlier. Oh! Anyone near the barn? Hello, hello, hello? Anybody home? Anybody here? Holy shit, the forest is so incredibly dense. There's someone driving around. People are allowed to drive around. I just wouldn't recommend it until you have to. So there's 2.5 minutes left. All right, this place is huge. And it's so dark. DJ says my hiding... That was terrifying. I forgot about the thingies. DJ says his hiding spot is lit, though. DJ, you better hope your hiding spot is in the zone. I'm just saying, buddy. Even if you have a great spot now, you may need to do a little bit of moving around. Holy shit, look how dense the forest is, though. How am I supposed to find anyone? DJ's definitely, like, hiding up a tree, though, somewhere. I'm just gonna say. Also, can I say, I love the beach here. Like, this map is so incredibly cool. And it's just so underused, I feel like. It is so awesome, though. I feel with little mini games like this, I'm just saying, it would be so much fun. It would be so good. All right, I think the timer's about to expire. 30 seconds left. I found one person. By sheer luck that I was able to spot their lights very, very high up. All right. Oh, is the sun setting? The sun is setting. Okay, boys. The first timer is all done. We gotta move to the second zone. So you're gonna get 1 minute. This is what the second zone is gonna look like. It's gonna go from being that big to only being that big. So, I hope you know what you're doing. And I hope you were able to sneak over there efficiently. In the meantime, I'm gonna keep driving around and keep looking for people. Cool? Cool. I hope you all remember that zone. If I need to show it again, I will. Hell yeah! Alright, timer's up. Timer's up. 5-minute timer, boys. Starting up. Make sure you are in this part of the map, please. Don't cheat. It's night so you can see lights. That's where I think this is going to get quite a bit easier. Alright, let's keep looking around. Yeah, when it's night, I feel like it's going to be much easier. Because I'll be able to see headlights and taillights much clearer than I did before. Okay, so here's the problem with this PUBG game. If I was to pause the game right now, I would see a bunch of little dots on my map as to where everybody else is. And I can't do that, so I need to figure out where I am in the world and figure out my spot. I'm like trying to look for headlights too. There might be some headlights over there. I sort of see some flickering going on between the trees. I'm not exactly sure, but let's go take a look. You see what I mean though? How this is like PUBG? It's like the zone keeps getting smaller and smaller and it's like hide and seek. Oh no, it was lights, but it's lights off the Hot Wheels track. Not cool. Totally not cool. But it's like, either you guys are in cars that don't have lights, or you're in very, very good spots. Except for this guy in this G-Class. That would be 3 and 4, Mr. Thingamabobber. That's 4 people. Hell yeah! Risky business flashing your headlights out like that, I'm just saying. 5! Holy shit, apparently we have found the spot. We're heating up, boys. 5 of 11 and we're only on level 2 of the zones. Oh, man. Look behind the rocks. I think that's what I gotta do now. It is so much easier to play this game at night. Is there anyone around these rocks? Anyone, like, stuff themselves under there? No? I'm trying to look in areas now where I would be like, oh, that would be a good place to hide my headlights. Because I think everyone's figured out now, okay, yeah, the headlights are definitely the giveaway. So if people can sort of, like, hide them? I think I see some taillights up here. Just saying. Yes, in fact, I do. That's 6, boys. We found 6 people already. How long do we have left on round 2? We still have a minute. We found 6 people already. We're more than halfway there. You haven't made the top 50, boys. You haven't made the top 50. Who's going to win the chicken dinner? Here's the problem I'm currently facing. I don't even know if I'm in the territory of the map. That's my problem. Like, there's the city. I keep trying to, like, center myself by looking at the city and being like, is that someone? Is this somebody? Hello! Hello, somebody. I see you up there. Hey, buddy. I like your horn, your little quack. That is a clever spot. That's a very clever spot. That's 7 people already. Man, these headlights. The headlight game is real. All right, 7 people. Still a couple more people to find, though. Okay, there we go. There is level 2 done. Let's put it on for another minute. And this is what level 3 is going to look like. You had all of that area, boys. Now, it's that area. That is all you got. So make sure you go and hide in the best spot possible. There should be still 11 minus 7. That's 4 people who are hiding. You have made the top 4, boys. Is anybody gonna make it to my final level? I don't know. I really don't. We're gonna find out, though. 1 minute timer is up. Everybody get into the new zone. 5 minute timer is starting. Let's try to find some people. What did DJ say? DJ was like, I'm getting so freaking lucky on these zones. Oh, seriously? DJ gets lucky on the zones. Nah. Alright. So there's still 4 people in here, though. And yeah, I gotta use the coil up there as my reference point. Okay. That is what we're looking for. We're still playing the headlight game. I just need to know what is and what isn't the zone because I'm not allowed to open my map. I just need to use things in the environment to look around in and be like, oh yeah, that's the zone, that's not the zone. Oh! Oh! Hello, Porsche I sent him to Narnia. What? What? You can drive under there? What a spot! 8 people. Oh, hello. Tracks. Okay, can I do tracking? Are those tracks for this guy, though? Like, they came up here. They came up here. And then, yeah. I assume he was just like, I'll hide here and hope no one sees me. Okay, the tracks are a good idea, though. All right, so we are up to 8 people now. 3 people left to find. Oh, man. Nope, someone was like, I've had enough. Still looking around for headlights and taillights. It is quite bright out now. But headlights are still on. Like, mine are still on. Oh, I'm on the outside of the map. I gotta go back in. I'm really excited for these later zones because it gets super, super small. I'm honestly surprised, though, that I was able to find this many people, like, this quickly. Because this is a massive area. All right, there we go. That is level 3 completed. The 1 minute timer is going on. Here is your level 4, boys. It is going from that all the way down to that. If you are on the coast, get off the coast. You gotta sort of like bunch in, come into the map a little bit. You can see the difference that makes. Try to find people while they're moving. I think that is gonna be my prime time to do so, as I'll probably hear people. I just gotta listen really carefully. I can hear the stupid dinosaur, but I don't hear people. DJ's like, crap, DJ's gotta move. DJ's gotta move. Okay. Hello, buddy! Yes! We get someone as they are speeding across the map. That's DJ! We got DJ, boys! Oh, man! DJ gets too aggressive with the moving around, and he bins it right in front of us. 2 left. 2 left, boys. Wait, was that DJ or Fireprof Cargo? Fireprof Cargo's going, no! Who was it? Was it DJ or Fireprof Cargo? DJ's like, that was me. DJ has not won a hide-and-seek game for, I think, the first time probably ever. Alright, let me try to stay in the back. Oh my god, I want to take a picture of that really badly. Can we get a little bit more creative with our... Buddy! With the Monster Energy paint job, there is 1 person left. Holy shit. Is anybody going to make it to level 6? That is the question. I'm trying to check all the sneaky places. So there is 1 person left in this area. I think it's Fireprof Cargo. Fireprof Cargo, is it you who's the only person left? I'm trying to get back into the zone, by the way. I got stuck.
Nick, I had the monster paint job and you have been like driving past me stupid close so many times.
Oh man, I'm sure I've driven past this final guy too, like so many times, and he's just in a spot that I wouldn't expect. Someone's honking. Are you the last person? Why were you honking, bro? Are you the last person? I don't recognize that car. Like, I feel like I haven't found it before. Yes, that's the last guy. Holy shit, we did it. We did it, boys. Oh my god. We cleared out the entire zone. Are you actually in the zone? You're right. Well, we're actually both right there. Are we in? We are... Oh, are we in? Bro, we're out of the zone. This was level 5, and that's level 6. We will definitely do this again. Change up the map, change up the levels, and have some serious fun. So...